this specimen papers solving. We are doing databases part of 2023 paper, and we are at the question 22. Using fields from both tables, produce a tabular report that okay, we are going to create a report over here. 22 and 23 both are of the same report generation, and let's create one query for it. First of all, let's prepare the query and then we will move on. Just select save this finally and then close it. Now let's create a query. Create query design, and from both the tables it is said, I guess, from both the tables. So let's pick both the tables here, double click both and then close it. Okay, now these tables are the base for the coming up report. Now let's go to the point where shows only records. We need the field list, right? So let's go to this point 3 there. Here shows only the fields yacht name, builder name, type. Okay, yacht name, builder name, and type here, and length, price, build year, length, and where is that, price, then build year. Where's build year? This is build year. Now more, build country, sleeps, crew, and total birds. Okay, build country. Let's pick build country. Build year, build country here. Then what's that? Sleeps. Here are sleeps. Then crew. Crew is also there. Then I guess the last column is something different. That is total birds in this order with data and labels displayed in full. Okay, what is total birds over here? That's in second point. Contains a new field called the total birds, which is calculated at runtime. This field will add the sleeps field to the crew field. Okay, so there is a calculation. This is a new field. It's a calculation as a sleeps plus crew. Fine. So let's go for it. Total birds. See the spelling with the underscore. Okay, and let's go to the last as a last column over here. Last field we can see. So total underscore birds. Spelling is correct or not? Okay, fine. Now take a semicolon. Sleeps, it's a field name, so we have to keep it inside the square bracket. Sleeps, close the square bracket, plus again square bracket, crew, CREW, and close the square bracket, press enter. Fine. So this is the calculation for it, and we have to save this query to run this calculation. Q22. Fine. Now what else I have to do for this? That's it. This is also done. Select the records where build year was after 2010. Okay, there is a like a criteria of build year, means for the build year, saying that they want only the build years after 2010. So not even 2010, after 2010 means 2011 onwards. Okay, so shall we give the criteria under build year? Where is build year? It's here under criteria. See there, this is criteria. Yes, here. So in this we enter all the criteria, no conditions. Here is the one. It should be more than, so it's more than 2010. Press enter. Save the work. Now just let me run once and see how it's my output I'm getting. See, only 61 records there, and sleeps plus crew is total birds. Can you see the calculation there? Yes, 2 plus 0, 2, 7 plus 6 is 13, 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, our calculation is fine. Now, what about build year? All from 2011 onwards, not even 2010. You see there, full column. Okay, now 61 records right now existing. Let's see any further reduction after any more criteria. Length is 40 or less. Even 40 means equal to 40 or less than 40. Okay, let's go there. Length, where is length? Here. More than or equal to, we have to type there. Okay, 40, more than or equal to 40. Save and run. Length, see there, length. Now it became just 29 records from 61. See, this is length. Perfect. Now let's see more. What else we have to do? Sort the data. This is of sorting onwards. It is of report part. So we will do that. Let's just one more time save it and close this query. And this is the base for our coming up report. So create a report wizard. Select the query 22. Take all the fields. Next. Yeah, this is the way we want. Yes. Now sorting is from the question. Ascending order of type and then descending order of length. Ascending order of type, then descending order of length. Okay, is this done? Has page orientation landscape, and it fits on a single page wide. Width should be, but any number of pages it can be. Next, it's landscape and it just fills on a single page. Now, what about the title? These three are done. Includes the heading Yacht less than 15 years old as a title displayed in a larger font size at the top of the page. So yachts less than 15 years old. Okay, let me just type in there in this. Yachts less than 15 years old. Is it correct? Yeah. Modify the report's design. Finish. Here is the one design view of the report. Now just I want to check once how my data is appearing in the layout. Look at that. Make sure every data is clearly visible for the printing, and adjust them evenly. Okay, all the data should be adjusted evenly on the page so it looks good for the printing. You can just move it. Okay, now this is another data. Here I guess we don't have much space. Shall we move this? Okay. Fine, and this one, just let's bring it here. Now what else? Here is the builder name. Builder name is having longer values, names and all, so it needs more space. Okay, just open wide the column and check till the bottom it's appearing or not. Okay, now price. When we talk about price here, just move it, and even this. Okay, now it's clear. And this is build year. Sorry, this is build year, and Here, adjust it evenly, all the data. Here also. Okay, and here. And the last one is there, but the heading is, it's a column, field name is not fitting there. Just move it. Here, this one. Total births, or full name has to come there. Here, so it is missing. See the name. Let's move it more. From here. Okay. This one. Make sure the data is not overlapping. Okay, from here. Build a country. We can just reduce the width of it. Here it is. Now I got a bit place, the space over there to adjust the last column, the last field. Here it is. Okay. Yeah. Now a little bit, you can move this up. Off. It's fine. Okay, now it's better, I guess. Yes. All 29 records. Fine. Now let's see further questions. It's in larger font. It is said we will make it to a larger font and more prominent as well. Has your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the report, so it displays on every page. Okay, now let me go to save the work and go to design view of it. Now I'm going to just increase the size of this heading. Home. Here I will make it around 28 and I'll change the color to the black, bold. Even I can change the font of it. Fine. And you can just pull it down to see that clearly, the heading. Okay, and yeah, this is fine now. Okay, this is done. Now I need what the footer where I can enter my details. Okay, here is the footer. See where you see this page number and all, that is the footer. Now go to report design, label, and from here to here just drag a space for our details and type in there your details. Yes. Okay, and we can make it with larger font, color, and you can make it bold. Okay, save, and let's just check in the layout. Here is the footer. It will appear on every page as well. Right, now save. What else I have to do? Save and print this report. That's it. Okay, first report is done. We can see in print preview, this will be printed. This will be seen when you print it. See, it got 2 pages. Now where is another page? Where is another page? Here, this is a page 2 of 2, and you can see my details like since we typed in the footer. Yes, this is the second page. Close. Now create query design, and this too. Close. So this is the query having the list of all the fields from the question. shows only the fields yacht name, builder name, type. Okay, yacht name, builder name, type. Next, length, price, build country, length, price, build country, build country. Now next, in this order with data and labels displayed in full. Do not copy the data, group the data. Okay, fine. This is over. The list of fields we got. Now we'll move to the next the point where we got the criteria of the query. Here selects only those records where country code is New Zealand something and or Australia. Okay, any one of these two means only two countries are allowed. What are they? New Zealand or Australia or. So where is the country name? This build country. Yes, under criteria. Here is the criteria and here under build country. Here New Zealand maybe. Sorry, New Zealand R O R R. Then Australia AU. That's it. Just press enter. Save, and this query will be 23rd query. Okay, then we'll go for the next criteria. Let's see what is that. Builder name includes the text yacht, including the text. Okay, just this should be a part of the values. Okay, wherever it finds a value contains this set of letters, the whole value has to be all the records have to be displayed. Okay, now where is that? For this reason we use which one? We have to use the stars, right? So builder name, right? It is a builder name. Yeah, builder name. Come over here and we have to use like for it. Okay, like double quotes, star, and yacht, then we have to close the double quote, star, then we have to close the double quotes. Just press enter. Now we will see how our output is appearing. Run. Just click on run here. Uh-oh, we didn't get which one is giving error. Let me just check. I'll remove this. Okay, save. Let me check this. Okay, here 164 records having the builder name something having yacht, right? Something builder name having yacht. See all those 164 records like that. Here builder, what is that? See, build country. Build country is that country code it is. Sorry, country code, because it's not there. Country code is not there, so we have to get that country code. Country ID, here is the one, so that we didn't get the output. Yes, we have to be careful about it. Up here. Let it appear right now. Later we'll change that. Okay, under criteria, we have to type in either New Zealand or Australia. Okay, this is the one. Now press enter. Now let's see how it's working. Save and run. Yeah, country code. Now number of records are only 30. Okay, but this is not in the list of fields for us, so we will just uncheck the box so that it won't appear in the output. Yes, it's done. Save it. Now let's go to the question. This also done. Sort the data in a descending order of price. So for that we have to end this query. Then we'll go for the report. Create report wizard and go for 23, question 23. Take all the fields. Next. Yeah, this is the way we want it to display in the report. Now in descending order of what? What's that? Descending order of price. Okay, just select price from that and tap next. What's next here? Portrait orientations with on a single page. Portrait here and single page, it's done. Now what is the title for the report? This we'll do later. Now includes a heading, Oceania Boat Builders. Okay, here Oceania Boat Builders. Okay, modify the query design. Is it correct spelling? Oceania, Oceania something. Okay, boat builders. Okay, this is fine. Now let's finish it. This is the design. Now what else I have to do? They want the heading to be seen bigger in size, larger font size. That will set. And we have a calculation over here. We have a calculation. So these three are done. We have a calculation, average length in this selection, and positions this number under the length column. Okay, fine. They want the average length. And display this average length value to 1 decimal place. Okay, and we have to increase the size of this heading. Okay, let's do that all. First, I'm going to just format this. Go home, then just increase the size of it to something like this, and even we can change the font of it, change the color to black, and so that you can see clearly. It's enough. Good. Save. Then we will work with the average length. Where is the length? This is the length here. Can you see the length over here? Okay, we have to calculate average length. For that, select this length field, second row where details are there. Okay, now go to report design, under totals, average. Okay, this is average length, and we have to set this as a 2 single decimal place. Okay, select this and click on property sheet, format to fixed. Okay, and decimal places 1 over. Okay, now let me see how it is. Any label is there before this calculation? Just check that. That's it. We don't have any label there. Okay, fine. Now so has your name, center number, candidate number at the top or bottom of the report. Bottom of the report, not in header footer. Okay, not in the footer, just bottom, either bottom or in the top. That's it. Okay, this is done. We're going to add our details, not in the footer but in the bottom. That's it. It is said. Okay, either on the top also we can write. Shall we write in the top? Because this is covering it. Let me just write in the at the bottom here. Okay, here we are supposed to write. Okay, type in your details. Okay, done. Now just format it a bit so that it is more clear. Okay, done. Now just let me check in the layout view how my data is appearing. I have to adjust it. See that? After all the calculations, I'm doing this one. Price. Okay. Okay, fine. I see here something it's going off. I'll move this. Okay, I'll have some place. Okay, now come over here, increase it. Yeah, now it's fine. Here, move it this side towards left and bring your details this side under this. Okay, and the build country is this. Okay, now it's clear. Now let me just check down here. It's, I guess it's bit congested over here. Okay, fine. Save the work and let me check down my details. Where is this? Oh, it's here. It's here. The average length. And my details are here. Fine. I can just format it as well. Yes. Home. Bold. And make it 12. Okay. Done. Perfect. Now like last final look, print preview. This will be printed. Okay. Now save and close. We are here, and anything more to do? The save and print. Okay, we are going to save and print. Step 24 is not related to the report. Okay, just let me close this now. This job is done. Save and close. Now let me go for 24th step. Export the report created in step 23 in portable document format PDF. Save the exported file in your work area. Place the evidence in your evidence document about the screenshot, how you exported it, and save it in your folder. Okay, make sure the evidence is even we have to show the file type in that. Okay, now let's go for that. Here, where is this? This one is the one in 23 step I created. Select, right click, export as a PDF. And make sure you're saving in your folder. See, I'm saving in my folder. And PDF format. Publish. Okay, this is the one you're gonna see in your folder. Now close. Let's go to the folder. Let's go to the folder. And here, where is that? This one. This one is the one. Just now we saved it as a PDF. Here, PDF. Okay, now we have to take a print screen of it. Select the area and crop it. Now let me go to the evidence. Here's step 24. Paste it. It's been selected here as well. You can reduce if you want, like this. Okay. It's done. Fully, I guess this paper is done. This paper is done. This is presentation. Okay. Okay, this is the end of your Access Specimen paper 2023.